Okay, now we will discuss the other tools. Our ancestors had a keen interest in the study of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. They were equally keen to explore the unknown lands of the earth. Means our ancestors means which are the peoples, earlier peoples that are the very interested to study about the stars, planets, and the other celestial objects. They were very interested to research unknown lands on the earth. So first of all, they use the astrolabe. This instrument for taking latitude of the sun or stars for the solution of problems in astronomy, means which problems are there in the astronomy, they are finding the solution for those. It was used by Greek astronomers from about 200 BC. BC is a time period. We can see the before Christ, its full form is before Christ, and by Arab astronomers from the Middle Ages until superseded by the sextant. Next is the sextant. You can see the picture of sextant from your book. This one, this is used to measure an angle between two objects. See, it is a doubly reflecting navigation. Navigation means who are moving on a ship or boats. Instrument used to measure the angle between any two visible objects. The principle of instrument was first implemented around 730 by Johann Hadley and Thomas Godfrey. Next is Jacob's staff. Jacob's staff or cross staff is a stick. You can see it look like a stick. Stick on pole with length marking. Its most frequent use was made as a device to measure angles. For example, the angle between the horizon and polaris of the sun to determine a ship's latitude. Next is magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is a navigational tool that uses magnetism. It has an arrow which points in the direction of north magnetic pole. It is very useful for navigating on the oceans and in the deserts or other places which have no landmarks. The first compass was invented by ancient Chinese in Han Dynasty. You can see about the magnetic compass. It has an arrow which shows on the north pole, and this direction, with the help of north pole, they are finding the other directions, but mainly that this were used for the navigating on the oceans or in the deserts or those places, or who are going on those places which having no landmarks. This first compass was invented by the ancient Chinese in the Han Dynasty.